going to see the progress for avocado. Today I already bagged out the avocado. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here we already counted to 19 avocado. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. At this position, it already goes to my neighbor's property. So it is their kindness that the avocado can go there. And they are very nice. They already helped me bag them. As you can see, this year I have more than 25 avocados and I already bagged 13 of them. That is because we had animal in this area, squirrel, possum, raccoon. I haven't monitored them lately, but they are very actively because I see their poof on my backyard, and it's not like I don't want to share with them. It just I planned this avocado so hard for. This is the 7 years, 6-7 years, and I haven't eaten any so far. I really hope I can eat some. If I had leftover, I can share with my family and my wonderful neighbor, especially these. I hope they can taste it. As I was saying in my previous video, this year I add more fertilizer on top of my regular kitchen drops that I made, which I will make a video to show how to make that, so you can apply to your garden and you can see. You can also have wonderful avocado tree like this from seed. It just take about 7 years, I think, if you do everything right and the position has lots of water and sun for the avocado. This is the fertilizer I bought from Home Depot. I highly recommend them, and just apply them with the amount that it shows on the bag. And that's the major difference I did from last year and this year, and you can see the wonderful result. At least I'm very happy. I have 3 avocados. Only this one has 20 something this year. I'm hoping the second one will have some next year. But on top of the avocado we got, I'm very happy to see the avocado tree grow and see they grow so tall, and avocado takes so long to form. And I think I really appreciate the price it shows in the grocery. I always wonder why they charge so much for avocado. Now I understand. It just takes a lot to grow avocado, and you're not always successful. A lot of time you just see avocado fall or they form and they got eaten. So thank you for watching.